So we've spent the last 16 days expanding your ability to receive more. So today we're going somewhere just as important, and that is, can you actually keep it? Receiving money and holding money are two very different capacities. You can become incredible at creating income and still have this invisible pattern that says it's telling you, get rid of it. Maybe a bill suddenly needs to be paid, or you find something you have to spend it on, or you feel very uncomfortable seeing that larger number just sitting there in your account. Somehow, whenever more money comes in, more money is going out. And eventually what happens is you return to that financial level that feels familiar. And it's not because you necessarily have some discipline problem. It's subconscious, it's unconscious. Sometimes your nervous system just simply hasn't normalized having money without needing something to do with it. So today we're going to change all of that. And we're teaching your body that money can arrive and that money can stay. So let's take a deep breath, follow along, and repeat after me. Even though part of me may feel more comfortable spending money than holding on to it, I deeply and completely accept myself, and I choose to make keeping money feel safe. Even though I've unconsciously returned myself to familiar financial numbers, I now give myself permission to receive money without immediately needing to move it, spend it, or get rid of it. Even though having more money than I'm used to may feel unfamiliar, I choose to become the woman who confidently receives, keeps, grows, and enjoys her wealth. Maybe I've learned how to receive money, but I haven't fully learned how to hold it. Money comes in, and somehow money goes right back out. Maybe I've been returning myself to what's familiar. The same numbers, the same financial baseline. I'm ready to create a new normal. I release the urge to immediately do something with money. I don't have to spend it because it's there. I don't have to find a reason for it to leave. I don't have to create another expense. I can simply have money. I can see money in my account and feel completely calm. Having money is safe. I don't have to constantly watch my money. Waiting for something to happen. Waiting for another expense. Waiting for it to disappear. I release the expectation of loss. Money doesn't have to disappear. Money is allowed to remain. I am safe with money staying. It is safe to have more than I need today. It is safe to have money left over. It is safe to see bigger numbers in my accounts. I don't need to reduce them to feel comfortable. I expand my financial comfort zone. More money can sit with me. More money can stay with me. More money becomes normal for me. I am not only a receiver of money, I am a holder of wealth. I respect what I receive. I make intentional decisions with money. I keep more. I save more. I grow more. I build wealth from what I receive. My financial identity is changing. I no longer measure abundance only by what comes in. I notice what remains. I notice what grows. I notice what I'm building. My nervous system feels safe with accumulation. I'm becoming comfortable having more. Holding wealth feels natural to me. We're on the last round. Money comes to me. And money stays with me. I receive more. I keep more. I grow more. I steward money with wisdom. Overflow no longer needs to leave for me to feel safe. I confidently receive, keep, and grow extraordinary wealth. Hands on the heart, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Wealth isn't only about how much money you make, it's also about how much money you can comfortably actually have. Because if your nervous system only feels safe at a certain financial baseline, you can continually find ways to return yourself to that baseline. So we're creating a new baseline. It's one where having money doesn't create this urgency, where a larger bank balance doesn't immediately create a reason to spend, and where you don't need money to disappear before you can relax. you can receive it, you can enjoy it, and you can make thoughtful decisions with it. You can allow some of it to just simply stay. And that's how receiving begins becoming wealth. So repeat after me for today's sovereign rep. I am safe having money. I receive more. I keep more. And I grow more. Wealth is safe in my hands. Money is allowed to stay. And having more becomes increasingly normal for me.